Let's chat about windows. It's probably the number one repair that sellers need to make before they sell their homes. So when you see that kind of filmy substance and you think it's just not clean, it's probably a broken seal. So the argon gas between the two panes of glass, the seal breaks, and eventually over about 5 to 6 years, the window will be completely clouded up. So instead of replacing the entire window, you can actually replace just the glass. And I've got Adele from Glass Geeks that does it for me all the time. And we're going to just give you a brief video on how it's done. I hope you enjoy.